Assalamu alaikum. I am Usman. You are watching Lively English Language. Viewers, today we are having the part of articles, and here you are going to use the use of a. As you know, we have started articles, and we have a word is a, and it is the part of article, and it is used before words which begin with the consonant non-vowel sound. Non-vowel sound means the word which starts from consonant word. Non-vowel sound means these are the vowels. I think you may be watching this A, E, I, O, U. This is vowel, and these all are vowel. Okay, and now we are going to talk about consonant. The words, the letter which are consonant like they are non-vowel. When we see these words and they start from non-vowel sound, we use a here. Here is example: a book, a coconut, a jug. See, book is a consonant, not vowel. C is consonant, not vowel. J is consonant, not vowel. That's why we put here a, and they are singular. Okay, not plural. And one thing more, which is very important to you, you have to understand properly these, because these words which I have written on the board: union, university, European, and uniform, they all are starting from a vowel letter like U, and E, but we put here why? Because these words are giving, and these words are giving the consonant sound. Okay, you when you speak union, university, it is not giving the sound of uh, like uh, um, like the sound of vowel. That's why we are put here जब ऐसे लेटर हम देखते हैं, वर्ड्स देखते हैं जो कि साउंड दे रहे हो किसकी, बिगिन द विद द कॉन्सोनेंट की, तो फिर हम ए लिखते हैं. Okay, I think you must have learned this properly. Kindly subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.